have met most of you. Thanks for coming. Uh, we really need your support. Uh, of course, we can make a film. Of course, we can exhibit a film, but still, the primary person who can take our film to the right audience is you. And throughout the journey, for the last 1.5 years, you have always kept our film in the top. I don't know why. I think it's pure love. I want the same love to continue and take us to that space where we all want to achieve. And of course, in return, I can assure you one thing, apart from an entertainer, we have a clean message conveying film, which is much needed for the current society. And let's not just get entertained. Let's carry this message. Of course, you are the right tool to take this to the roots. Please take this message to the roots. And thanks for supporting us. Thanks for coming here. Please do all come with your family on December 25th to the theaters. Definitely, every member of your family has something to take home from Baby John. Baby John is a good father, good police officer, good husband, good lover, good son, and you have all kinds of emotion which will satisfy highly family. And then definitely, as a parent, you will have a great message to take home and create a great society for the next generation. Thank you everyone for coming here. And now I will thank my in-house team. Murad Bhai, thanks for
come together. Geo Studios, sir just talked about Jyoti ji and Murad sir यहाँ पे हैं, Priya ma'am यहाँ पे हैं. What do you have to say? You know, इतनी तगड़ी backing Baby John को इस Christmas.
नहीं बहुत ज़रूरी है तगड़ी बैकिंग आने की क्योंकि इन टुडेज इन्वायरमेंट अगर आपको फिल्म लेके आनी है तो आपको यू नीड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिलीज अ फिल्म अदरवाइज बिकॉज वेरी लार्जर देन लाइफ फिल्म्स आर ओनली कमिंग नाउ डेज ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट हो गया सो इन दैट मच टाइम अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट विल बी 55 days after which a Hindi film is going to release now, an all-out Hindi film right now, abhi theater. So we, like at least said, we need your support here in this market. Please, to the press, thank you for giving us so much love. And and Christmas is a time when I have always wanted to release films. हमेशा से मैं चाहता था कि मेरी कोई film Christmas में आए because it's a time when children really love watching films. They like going out, and we've had to really fight and struggle to get this date because ये date historically this date has been आमिर sir बहुत फिल्में release करते थे historically on this date, you know. So we are very lucky and thankful to Amir sir that he's given us this date and with his blessing we are going ahead. And one more thing, I just want all the press to congratulate Kirti Suresh here. She's newly married. हमारी नई नवेली दुल्हन आई है यहाँ पे मुंबई में. So
thank you so much. Thank you. He had told me backstage that he's going to embarrass me. He's going to say this 100 times. But thank you so much.
I don't want to be the only married actor. Now we both are. Congratulations, but
Thank you. Thank you.
कीर्ति मैं आपके पास ही आ जाता हूँ. Welcome to Amchi Mumbai one more time. पिछली बार धमाका हुआ था. Now we're all set for this dhamaka with all these wonderful people. Talk to us about this team and collaborating with this gentleman here. मतलब ये अलग हैं कुछ.
Yes, first of all, thanks to Atli and Priya because this is one of my favorite characters. Can I say that? Yeah. Yeah.
be open. It's all yours. Come on.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite character that has been played before. And to have me in this film, thank you so much, Atli. We've been friends for a very long time, but this is the first time I got to work with Atli and Priya. And hopefully the next time in his direction and not just his production. Thank you, Atli, and thank you, Murad Bhai and team. And I love her work from this film called Goda in Malayalam. She was brilliant in that. And yeah, she's a boxer in that. Sorry, wrestler, sorry. So very happy that we are in the same film. And Varun, his energy is great. He's a great actor. But I feel this time in Baby John, I think you all are going to see a very different Varun Dhawan. and I'm very, very excited for you, Varun. And Khalees, Khalees, I think if we give him a chance, he'll ask me to shoot even now. But his efforts and all his hard work, it's all going to be worth it. Thank you, Khalees. I've learned a lot from you, and that's more important. So thank you so much, and thank you all. We need all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Vamik, I'll quickly...
I just want to add that at least you're looking very handsome today.
He's always handsome.
No, but आज
Thank you.
आज आप कुछ अलग ही लग रहे हो. First time seeing you in the suit boot, मतलब you're looking very handsome.
I
today.
think because he's sitting
Producer,
here. Priya.
producer avatar, sir. Producer avatar.
Right, Vamika, there's a lot of positivity और ये bonding बड़ी कमाल की दिख रही है पहले दिन से, you know, when we saw the first look और उसके बाद से अब तक. Talk to us about this entire journey अभी, because 7 दिन रह गए हैं, बस release को तैयार हैं हम.
आई नो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. मुझे किसी ने ना बहुत पहले बोला था कि अगर आपको समझना हो कि कोई डायरेक्टर कैसा है या कोई राइटर कैसा है, यू वॉच देयर फिल्म्स, you'll know what he believes in. So if you'll see Atlee sir's films, the female characters in his films are so strong, and that shows that how much he appreciates the women in his life. And even in this film, even in this, while shooting for this film, ये कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए. इतने खूबसूरत लोग हैं ये लोग दिल से, इतने सिक्योर हैं, इतना प्यार है इनके अंदर. I feel so lucky that I got a chance to work with them. My first meeting with Atlee sir, he inspired me कि how important it is to be a good person. And I think even in our film, you'll see that the main focus is that how important it is to be a good person, how important good upbringing is. So I think it shows what he believes in, what Khalees sir believes in. It was a blast working with Khalees sir, first of all, I have to tell you.
You want to imitate him?
No, Varun. But it was amazing. It was one of a kind of an experience. I always wanted to work with Murad sir. I am so happy that we are working together. I'm very grateful and thankful. It has been an incredible experience working with Varun and Kirti. Kirti के साथ मेरे इतने scenes नहीं हैं, but the love that I feel from her is just how do you have so much love in your heart? I love it. Thank you so much.
She just got married now, तो होता है. निकलता है प्यार.
It just
शादी के
you
बाद.
know वरुण के बारे में मैंने जितना मैं जानती थी through films or interviews, when I worked with him, I understood what a beautiful human being he is. Never, you know, generally when you work with a star who has done so many films and has a name, it can be very intimidating. But he made sure that I feel super comfortable so that I can give my 100% on set, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for being
Thank
so
you.
nice.
Likewise.
But Atlee sir, thank you.
Thank
You have no idea how much I've learned from you, the kind of personality you are. I think one thing that I'm going to really take away from this experience is you. The empathy, the love that you have for everyone and everyone's journey. Thank you for inspiring me. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I
Thank you,
mean,
Amika.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
love you, Priya ma'am. And Zara, I love you.
Oh, that was cute. Priya ma'am, I'll quickly come to you. Murad sir, मैं आपके पास भी आने वाला हूँ. Talk to us about this entire ये जो bonding है. You know, this is what we are talking right now. It's Christmas celebration, festivities हैं. Talk to us about it, please.
Hi everybody. We are very, very, very happy to be here in the first place because this is like a dream come true for us because we are just babies and this is our first production in Bollywood. So first of all, I would like to thank anyone Murad sir. We learnt a lot from him.
In me and Khalees sir, you know, when I met him for the first time, I didn't know that I was meeting him for the second time. I had actually met him few years back on some other South Indian film set. And that was a surprise to me that I've already met him. I'm just very happy to be working with Varun sir and Kirti and produced by Murad sir. It was just like it's a dream come true. And I swear मुझे नहीं पता है कि मेरे साथ ये कैसे हुआ है, क्या मैंने लाइफ में या मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे that I'm experiencing these moments in my life. So thank you and thank you.
Varun, hi. So I wanted to ask you one thing. So you know, when there is a kid involved during the filming, kids are very honest with their feedback. What was that one feedback that you probably got from Zara?
Why are you taking so many takes? Do it quickly. And yeah, if something, see, for a child, you're right. If a child, something she doesn't find pure or real, if the emotion is not real, then they don't connect. Because they don't know the real difference between acting and real life. They are not making that distinction as yet. Whatever emotion they're showing, वो लोग 100% दिखा रहे. So Zara, every emotion had to be real for her to feel it. Whether it was giving cues, whether the way we would talk in scenes, the way we would communicate with each other. She's a very spontaneous actor. और वो comedy भी बहुत करती है. But she's really adorable. Yeah,
She's the star of the film.
Yeah, she is the star.
Zara, you'll answer one question for me?
Yeah, she'll answer.
She talks a lot.
You ask.
She
What
can
do you
talk
want to
a
ask?
lot.
Say, क्या पूछना क्या है आपको?
So I want to ask Zara, how was it working with Varun sir for you, Zara?
अच्छा, wait. 1 minute. Take.
It was very fun, and I really learned how to listen now.
Good answer.
Thank you. You are very adorable.
Thanks.
पूछ लो, she's answering.
कुछ और
I think
पूछना
you
है
guys
ज़ारा
should-
से?
She's in the mood. You guys should ask the questions now.
हाँ बोलो पाजी बोलो उधर से. पूछो. Who was your best friend on the set?
Buddy.
You said Amol. She means you, or she means no? She means.
How much did you train her, Amol?
I mean, this guy is your best friend. He's not even his best friend's best friend. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Sorry. He is a good guy. He looks like Santa Claus. Even we love him.
Second favorite?
Okay. Second favorite.
Second favorite?
It's Vamika, ma'am.
I love you.
Hello.
Third favorite?
Also that.
Also that.
Position पे हम
Okay.
दोनों हैं.
Thank you.
Hello. Loving the Bond. Hi, on your left, Rutunjay here from Pop Diaries. The trailer looks amazing, the poster looks amazing, and I think this is gonna be larger than life cinema, as Varun you said earlier. My question is to Atlee or Kalis, or whoever can take this question. Like, past 2 years have been full of cameos, films filled with cameos, and whichever film which has cameo did well. So for filmmakers, is it a conscious decision now to have a cameo or a big surprise in the film?
See, we are entertainers. We go all out to entertain the audience. And cameos are, in certain films, are made for make a added advantage to the film. But certain films have cameos which even the script demands. I think if I have to say about Baby John, it has both. It needed an added advantage. At the same time, the script demanded someone in a very, very, very big scale who can be the boss of everyone. So he's going to be the boss of everyone. That's the snippet I can give. So someone has to be very big. So I asked Morad sir if Salman sir can do it, it will be great. Then it immediately happened.
वरुण, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, स्टंट्स और ये सब पर तो बहुत सारी बातें हुई, लेकिन जहाँ तक आपकी बदलापुर का सवाल है, वो भी एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म थी और उसको आज तक हम भूल नहीं पाए हैं. इवन आमिर जी ने हमें अपने बर्थडे में बताया था कि नए बच्चों में मुझे वरुण का काम बदलापुर में बहुत पसंद आया था. ये फिल्म भी उसी पर मतलब कुछ एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म है. तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म को करना और उसमें एक मासी कैरेक्टर को भी प्ले करना?
बहुत बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, इमोशनली बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. कुछ ऐसे सीन्स है ये फिल्म में जब हम लोग करते थे, काफ़ी सीन्स है वे आई वुड बी इमोशनली वेरी ड्रेन्ड एंड बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था जिस तरीके से शूट होता था. तो कलीसा वुड इनफैक्ट टेल मी दैट वरुण डोंट गेट सो इमोशनल इन द सीन, ट्राई एंड बी स्ट्रेट. बट मैं सीन में परफॉर्म करते करते ही आई वुड sometimes break down because the issue that we are trying to show and the kind of case that we deal with in this film वो बहुत hard hitting है, spine chilling है, and it comes in a very commercial way, but in a commercial film I don't think कि ऐसा कभी case किसी ने दिखाया है in this way. And I can guarantee you that chapter of the film जब वो आएगा, it is going to shake up people. I'm sure about that. I don't want to talk about the other prospects of the film, but I know about that piece because when we were shooting that, there are 2-3 scenes like that which hit me also because मैंने कभी हिंदी फिल्मों में ऐसा इतना extreme में गया नहीं हूँ. I mean, yeah, in बदलापुर, yeah, we would. In this, it's little different because किसी और के साथ हो रहा है, but और ये होता है हमारे सोसाइटी में, हम कितनी बार सुनते हैं इसके बारे में. I don't want to go too deep into it, but I can just tell you that the case is going to hit everyone very badly.
This is Rajiv Vijayakar. My question here.
Hello, sir.
My
How are
question
you?
is for Khalis bhai. This is Murad bhai just said that this is an adaptation of the original, not a copy or not a direct remake. So my question is, how challenging was it to be different? And also, like Varun has said कि इसमें पहली बार action के साथ एक emotional, very strong core और message है. So how did you manage to blend that? And my other question I'll ask later to Vamika. Please.
Actually, when we are adapting a film, we should not lose the juice and we should make something more than that because it is almost 7 to 8 years back and it is very close to Atli's art. So when I'm updating something, it should not hurt its sentiment also. So, and also it should be very, it's energetic and new to the current trend also. So it is a really, I'm saying it is a new experience for me. When I'm writing a script, we'll start from the 1. So, and we'll end at the 80. But when I'm writing the script, I have to start from 4 or I have to start from 12. You know what I mean? It's scenes. So this should connect 3 and it should connect 5. But no one should feel that, okay, we write the 4 as a new scene. So this is a really great experience. I really want to thank my friend Atli to give me that kind of torture and that kind of love to me to do this. And it's given me a new, it's like a mind-blowing experience for me to do that also. And it's really all credit goes to my friend.
But how did you blend that action with the emotion?
No, sir. This is a film about, it's a commercial film, very good message film. This is, in OG also, it's having everything. You know, there is an emotion, the baby emotion is there, father emotion is there, and then mother emotion is there, every emotion is there. The same way we handled everything. The emotion and everything is there, but we updated everything. You know, the scenes and the actions, everything, that lot of foreign action directors we used, and the way Varun sir did, so no one can match that action. And then especially Jackie sir, we changed complete perspective of the antagonist. That villains is completely changed. So when we start writing with the Jackie sir. So when you start writing that, when he became more powerful, the hero became more powerful. So that is the story. The Ravana became more powerful, the Rama became more powerful. So it's opposite. We should not go like this. We should go like this. So we start writing that. So everything changed. So almost whatever the sweet things is there, we'll keep holding it. Other than most of the around the Jackie sir, whatever happening, everything is new. That's why if you see it 4th reel and 7th reel, that is the interval block and the climax, it will be completely a different experience for sure. That's my.
Okay, Vamika, my question to you is, in Hindi, so I have not seen anything on your regional work, but in Hindi, whatever you have done, whether it's a Khufia or whether your series, you have been in a realistic zone. Now, how did this larger-than-life commercial zone offer a challenge to you?
देखिए, रियलिस्टिक जोन को भी क्रिएट ही करना पड़ता है. तो मेरे लिए इवन खुफिया या जुबली या ग्रहण, वो सब बहुत अलग अलग दुनिया थी और वो सब अलग अलग डायरेक्टर्स थे. तो जब आप किसी डायरेक्टर के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हो, आप उनके साथ उन्हीं की दुनिया में जाके उस फिल्म को क्रिएट करते हो, उस कहानी को क्रिएट करते हो। आप सही कह रहे हैं कि ये दुनिया बहुत अलग है उन जो मैंने कहानियाँ पहले जिनका मैं हिस्सा रही हूँ। आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। हम इंडियंस हमने बचपन से ही ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हमेशा बहुत रियलिस्टिक फिल्म्स देखते थे। हम सब बड़े हुए हैं कमर्शियल फिल्म्स में, लार्जर देन लाइफ, क्योंकि वो देखने में मज़ा आता है। वो आपकी नॉर्मल लाइफ से थोड़ा हटकर है। आपको उस दुनिया में जाके जहाँ पे आप थिएटर से बाहर निकलेंगे तो आपकी नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी चल रही है। तो मेरी भी बहुत ख्वाहिश थी कि मुझे ऐसी दुनिया का पार्ट होना है जो लार्जर देन लाइफ है। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि मुझे चांस भी मिला। तो कैसी फिल्म में, मतलब एटली सर इज़ प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस फिल्म, दिस कास्ट, द प्रोड्यूसर्स, आई एम जस्ट लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं सीधा जंप कर रही हूँ तो बेस्ट। और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत खूबसूरत रहा, अलग था। सीन्स को देखने का नज़रिया, कैरेक्टर को देखने का नज़रिया। मैं बहुत हर एक सवाल पूछती रहती थी समझने के लिए कि ये क्या क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मुझे इनके साथ रहकर ये वाली पेंटिंग बनानी है। यू नो, इट्स लाइक मुझे बताओ ना कौन से कलर्स यूज़ कर रहे हो, मुझे बताओ ना क्या बनाना है। लाइक इट्स लिटरली लाइक दैट। तो एक आर्टिस्ट को तो यही चाहिए ना कि हर बार कुछ नया क्रिएट किया जाए, नई पेंटिंग हो। तो मेरे लिए तो बस यही था, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया।
वरुण भाई,
Okay, we'll
वरुण
take
भाई
two
on the
last
left.
questions, ladies
हाँ
and
जी,
gentlemen.
वरुण भाई
Yeah.
ऑन
जी.
योर लेफ्ट।
हाँ जी,
यहाँ पे
हाँ जी बाजी, हाँ बोलिए बोलिए।
कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया बढ़िया।
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू यू एंड द टीम। मेरा सवाल वरुण भाई आपसे है कि आपने डुअल रोल कर लिया जुड़वा में। अब यहाँ जो फिल्म है इट इज अबाउट डुअल आइडेंटिटी। जैसे हमने देखा कि कई ऐसी फिल्में रही हैं, जैसे पेट्टा होगी या नो दरबार की, वेयर द एक्टर और द मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैविंग अ डुअल आइडेंटिटी।
हम
ऑफ कोर्स कॉप नहीं, नॉर्मल भी ऐसे डुअल आइडेंटिटी होती है। व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म? जैसे हम देखते हैं ना कि हाँ भाई डुअल आइडेंटिटीज वाली फिल्में होती हैं जहाँ पे एक्टर का कुछ और होता है लेकिन निकलता
आई
कुछ और
लव
है।
हम। मुकुल आनंद डायरेक्टेड दैट फिल्म, इट्स कॉल्ड हम। फिल्म में अमिताभ जी थे, रजनीकांत सर थे, गोविंदा जी थे, एंड मुकुल आनंद इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स व्हाइल ग्रोइंग अप। खुदा गवाह भी बनाई थी उन्होंने, एंड दैट फिल्म उस वक्त भी, जिस अग्निपथ भी बनाई थी उन्होंने द ओरिजिनल, एंड उस वक्त जब उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई थी टेक्निकली भी बहुत अहेड थी वो फिल्म। सो हम जिस तरीके का बैकग्राउंड दिया था, जिस तरीके से अमित जी का वो पास्ट और प्रेजेंट दिखाते थे, सो या तो मतलब आई थिंक अमित जी ने ऐसे कितने आइकॉनिक फिल्में की है,
राइट।
यू नो देयर सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम इटसेल्फ, जो कि न्यूअर जनरेशन ऑफ एक्टर्स शुड नॉट forget that Bible. We should not forget that Bible staying here. We should keep watching that.
Okay, so while shooting this film, आपको कोई ऐसा लगा you're living that moment? भले हमसे ना से, बट कोई ऐसी फिल्म हो जो आपको लगा हो?
नहीं, वो यही जो अभी बोला मैंने, हम का ही मोमेंट है।
जी, okay.
वो एक शॉट है ना अमित जी का, जो झगड़ा होता है किधर बाहर, एंड देन वो
बस स्टॉप पे,
yeah,
yeah.
and then he runs, and yeah, मुझे वो बहुत याद आया था at that point.
Okay,
All the best.
one last question we'll take.
वरुण
yeah?
सर, वरुण सर,
अरे जी
वरुण
सर,
सर,
quickly
मेरा
we'll
सवाल
wrap this
आपसे
up.
है।
Thank you जी।
वरुण सर, जो विलन के किरदार में जैकी श्रॉफ सर नजर आ रहे हैं, बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग किरदार ऑन स्क्रीन देखने को मिलता है। उनसे काम करते वक्त आपको क्या कुछ सीखने को मिला और किस तरह का अनुभव रहा जैकी श्रॉफ सर के साथ काम करते वक्त?
बहुत
आपको?
चिल्ड आउट आदमी है वो, बहुत ही आसान है उनके साथ काम करना, उनके सामने रहना, एंड हिज बिहेवियर इज अमेजिंग। वो कैसे लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं ऑफ स्क्रीन, वो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है उनसे, एंड ही इज टू कूल, यार ही इज वन ऑफ द कूलेस्ट एक्टर्स वी हैव हियर। और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत एक्शन भी करना था उनके साथ, काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हैं मेरी उनके साथ, बट ही गेव मी फुल फ्रीडम। ही इज़ वेरी फिट, स्टिल वेरी वेरी फिट. So I think Khalis and me had a great time working with Jackie sir. I think he was an amazing fit. Atlee sir has worked with Jagu Dada in Bigil as well before this, and from day one for the casting of our for this role, Atlee sir he said, "This is the man. This is the man," and he's gone beyond. I think this is I couldn't say reintroduction, but this is Jackie Shroff 3.0, I would say. You see what he's done in the film.
Because I see, when we were looking for casting, my first choice was Jagu Dada, because I have worked with him. He was done a role in my film as a villain in Tamil film called Bigil. He has done an outstanding job. So I was very confident. Once I did photo shoot, everyone was, oh my God, what is this? So I think that has been reflected today to the audience also, because wherever we have seen the trailer, apart from Varun, I think the theater went into a stadium mode whenever his portion comes. I think he's gonna be the key wicket in the film. He has done something else. He has been a crazy one. Like for example, I love Animal very much. I love Bobby sir role in that film. Like that, I think Jagu Dada will be a most appreciated villain in this film. I personally feel it, and I think it's gonna make it also.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure, as you said, sir.
Thank you, guys.